Today, the Florida Legislature is continuing its special session in Tallahassee.
Yeah, they are taking on the property insurance crisis in Florida, and the vote coming in moments ago. CBS 4's Joe Gorcho has been following the session and digging deeper into what the results could mean for homeowners in the state of Florida. Joe.
Elliot, Naja, well, the results are in from the Senate chamber. They vote yes on this legislation 27-13. Now, bill sponsors believe property insurance rates in Florida will drop in the future. The consensus across both parties is policyholders will receive no immediate relief to their wallets. As experts have explained to us, the chief culprit in the current dire situation is litigation. Today on the Senate floor, Senator Jim Boyd points to national data revealed in 2021 that Florida accounted for 76% of the insurance lawsuits nationally. He also mentioned Florida residents pay 3 times the national average on property insurance. The legislation does speed up the time insurers must pay or deny a claim and respond to policyholders. However, provisions are in place to extend the deadline if, for example, the governor declares a state of emergency. The proposed legislation targets lawsuits. It eliminates the guarantee insurance companies must pay 100% attorney fees if a policyholder wins a lawsuit against them. In this bill, Boyd explained in the purest sense that consumers might have to assume attorney fees, costs that might take away from the total repair bill won in a claim. There are avenues in the legislation to recoup attorney costs. However, in the House Commerce debate, Representative Dottie Joseph explained her fears about the bill's makeup.
Going through this process is intimidating. If you don't have a lawyer, it's even more stacked against you. You just heard the gentleman try to explain how easy it is to prove a breach of contract, but then you also heard about how easy it is to get around that, right? Like, imagine you and your constituents, your mom, your dad, your brother, sister, grandpa, grandma, going through this process. It is intimidating.
And Senator Jason Pizzo points to the lack of data collected in the number of claims resulting in litigation where the plaintiff prevailed. Another key data point, state law requires insurance companies to provide claims and litigation data. Boyd says that data will be available in March. And experts suggest it takes 18 months to know if the legislation that's been proposed and passed in the Senate today will lead to lowering rates. Joe Gorcho, CBS 4 News.